This is the BMW 1 Series E87, and lots of people ask where the spare tire and the jack are in this vehicle. And you would expect it to be somewhere here, but here BMW has the battery and some other, place to keep your stuff. So no spare tire, no jack. And actually in these vehicles, initially they used round flat tires, or alternatively in some markets they supplied you with the tire repair kit. So this is how it worked for the BMW in this generation. They didn't actually supply you with any spare tires, jacks, or whatever else. And also they made the jack points quite tricky, plastic jack points here. So it's not, if you don't know what you're doing, it's not really good idea to jack up this car without understanding what can happen, without understanding the consequences. So yeah, either round flat tires or tire repair kit, or you can also buy a donut spare tire and put it in the trunk.